It was supposed to be just another court appearance. A formality, really. Kody had shown up in his usual arrogant posture, flanked by his legal team, confident, untouchable. But what he didn't know, what no one saw coming, was that something irreversible had already been set in motion. The judge held a sealed envelope, thick, stamped, and bearing the words, "Confidential, DNA results enclosed." Every eye in that courtroom froze on it. Even Robyn shifted uncomfortably in her seat. Meri and Janelle exchanged a glance, the kind of glance that says everything without a word. Christine, she just stared, unmoved. She already knew what was inside. The judge cleared his throat. "These results," he began, "have serious implications on the financial responsibilities, legal custody, and trust entitlements within the Brown family." Kody's smirk faded. His lawyer tried to interject, but the judge raised his hand, silent. The envelope was opened. Slowly, the air was thick, heavy with decades of secrets. The courtroom sat on edge. Robyn was gripping the bench so tightly, her knuckles turned white. And then, the words were read aloud. The first name wasn't a surprise. The second, however, wasn't Kody's, not for one of the children, and then another, and another. 3 names, 3 children Kody had claimed, supported, fought for in court, on television, in public, and none of them were biologically his. Gasps echoed. Robyn's hand flew to her mouth. She looked at Kody, betrayed, confused, horrified. Kody didn't move. He didn't blink. He just stared at the floor. The courtroom burst into whispers, and the judge had to call for order. But nothing would restore the silence now. Not after this. Meri stood up, calmly. Her voice didn't shake. "So now the truth is public," she said. "What else do we need to prove, Your Honor?" Robyn turned to her, as if to speak, but no words came out. Kody, meanwhile, remained silent. The judge, expressionless, began flipping through more papers. "There's more," he said coldly. "More. What else had been uncovered in those files? What else had Kody hidden behind those contracts, behind the facade of family unity? And more importantly, if the DNA files just shattered the last bit of credibility he had left, what will the next revelation destroy? Because from what we're hearing, the worst is yet to come." Subscribe now and hit that bell, because in the next episode, you won't believe what Kody signed without reading.